welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications for more amazing vehicles. Your support really means a lot. Thank you. Front side. Look at this massive front end. This is not just a truck, this is a rolling fortress. The 2026 Ford F-550 armored camper is based on a heavy-duty American commercial truck, which means it is built to carry extreme weight and survive extreme conditions. The white armored body makes it look clean, modern, and futuristic, but underneath that beautiful design is serious protection. This truck has reinforced steel panels, bullet-resistant glass, and heavy-duty bumpers that can handle impacts, off-road travel, and even hostile environments. The massive tires are run flat, meaning even if they are damaged, this truck can still keep moving. The front grille is bold and aggressive, giving this camper a powerful military-style look while still being luxurious. This vehicle is designed for people who want to travel anywhere in the USA, deserts, mountains, highways, or remote areas, without ever worrying about safety. Bedroom. Now let's step inside the bedroom. And yes, this is a real bedroom inside a truck. The 2026 Ford F-550 armored camper has a private sleeping area that feels more like a luxury hotel room than an RV. You get a large comfortable bed, soft lighting, storage cabinets, and sound-insulated walls so you can sleep peacefully even if you are parked in a noisy or dangerous area. The white interior combined with wood and leather finishes makes this space feel warm, clean, and expensive. This bedroom is designed for long trips across the USA, where you can relax, rest, and recover after a full day of driving. Dashboard. Now let's move to the driver's cockpit, the brain of this armored beast. The dashboard of the 2026 Ford F-550 armored camper looks straight out of a futuristic aircraft. You get multiple digital screens, navigation systems, camera feeds, and full control over the entire RV from one place. You can monitor fuel levels, power systems, security cameras, and even interior lighting from the dashboard. The steering wheel, seats, and controls are all wrapped in premium materials, giving you a luxury SUV feeling inside a heavy-duty armored truck. This is where power meets technology. Kitchen. Next is the kitchen, and yes, this truck has a real kitchen. You get a stove, microwave, fridge, storage cabinets, and countertop space to prepare meals while traveling. Everything is compact but extremely smartly designed. Whether you are parked in the middle of the desert or on a mountain in the USA, you can cook fresh food just like at home. This is true luxury survival. Bathroom. And now the bathroom, one of the most important parts of any RV. The Ford F-550 armored camper includes a private bathroom with a toilet, shower, sink, and mirror. The materials are water-resistant, modern, and designed for comfort and cleanliness. This means you never have to depend on public restrooms while traveling. You are completely self-sufficient. Living area. Finally, welcome to the living area, the heart of this luxury RV. This space includes comfortable seating, a table, entertainment systems, and control panels that let you manage lighting, power, and climate. You can sit here, relax, watch movies, work on your laptop, or just enjoy the ride. The LED lighting and premium materials make this space feel like a modern luxury apartment on wheels. This is where you spend time with family, friends, or just enjoy peace while the world passes by outside. Final message. The 2026 Ford F-550 armored camper is not just a vehicle, it is a luxury survival home on wheels. It gives you power, protection, and comfort all in one incredible machine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is where you find the most insane vehicles in America.